Hello everyone! Today we'll be learning about creating a logo design using Canva's logo design feature. So let's get started. The first step is to access Canva by logging into your account or creating one if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, you can start creating a new design by clicking on the Create a Design button located on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now you can choose the logo design feature by clicking on the logo option located on the right-hand side of the screen. Once you've selected the logo option, a menu will appear, and you can choose from the list. Once you've selected the logo maker option, you can choose a template to get started. Canva provides a wide range of templates to choose from. You can either choose a template that matches your brand or business, or start from scratch. After you've chosen a template or started from scratch, you can customize the logo by selecting different fonts, colors, and icons. Once you're satisfied with your logo design, you can download it by clicking on the Download button located on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Canva provides various file formats, including JPEG, PNG, and PDF, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. And that's it. With Canva's logo design feature, you can create a unique and professional logo for your brand or business. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing!